Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this tutorial I'm going to show you what are forms and different types of forms. So let's get started. So here it is form. I will teach you in future lectures how to collect information from visitors, different kind of forms controls and new HTML form controls. So here you can see that it is a basic form structure. So form controls live inside a form element. This element should always carry the action attribute and will usually have a method and ID attribute too. Action. Every form element requires an action attribute. Its value is the URL for the page on the server that will receive the information in the form when it is submitted. Method. Forms can be sent using one of two methods, get or post. With the get method, the values from the form are added to the end of the URL specified in the action attribute. The get method is ideal for short forms such as search boxes. When you are just retrieving data from the web server, not sending information that should be added to or deleted from a database. With the post method, the values are sent in what are known as HTTP headers. As a rule of thumb, you should use the post method if you are form. Allow users to upload a file is very long, contains sensitive data that is passwords, adds information to or delete information from a database. If the method attribute is not used, the form data will be sent using the get method. ID. We'll look at the ID attributes later, but the values is used identify the form distinctly from other elements on the page and is often used by the scripts such as those that check you have entered information into fields that require values. So here you can see that there are lots of forms. There are several types of forms controls that you can see you can use to collect information from visitors to your site. So there is adding text inputs, password inputs, text area, and then marking choice that radio buttons, check boxes and drop down boxes, and then submitting forms, submit buttons, image buttons and uploading files. So in future lectures I will teach you how to write different types of forms like these, all of 9. So please do follow my YouTube account. So if you like my video, please give thumbs up, do like, share, subscribe, and it's Sayan Ahmed signing off.